Good morning, students. In the last class, we had read about the state of Gujarat, which lies on the western coastal plains. Today, children, we will read about the states of Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka, which also lies on the western coastal plains. So, children, let us first read about Maharashtra. Many crops and fruits are grown in Maharashtra. Large deposits of petroleum have been found in the seabed near Mumbai. This region is called the Bombay High. Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra, is situated on the Konkan coast. It is the largest seaport of India and an important industrial center. So, children, in Maharashtra, many crops and fruits are grown by the farmers. And also, children, large deposits of petroleum is found in the seabed near Mumbai. And this region or this place is known as the Bombay High. So, what is Bombay High? Bombay High is an offshore oil field. So, Bombay High is an oil field located in the Arabian Sea, and here, children, petroleum is taken out from the seabed. Now, we all know that Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra, and Maharashtra, children, is located on the Konkan coast. In the first video, children, we all have read that western coastal plain is divided into three parts: Gujarat coast, which is in the north, Konkan coast, which is in the middle, and Malabar coast, which is towards the south. So, children, Maharashtra lies on the Konkan coast. And lastly, children, Maharashtra is the largest seaport of India. So, which is the largest seaport of India? Yes, it is Maharashtra. And it is also an important industrial center. Means in Maharashtra, there are many important industries which are located here. Now, children, next we will read about Goa. Goa is the smallest state in India. It lies to the south of Maharashtra. Its capital is Panaji. Marmagao is the biggest port of Goa. Goa has many beautiful beaches. It also has many beautiful churches. The Basilica of Bom Jesus, that has the remains of Saint Francis Xavier, is located in Goa. Now, children, Goa is the smallest state of India. Which is the smallest state of India? Goa. And it lies to the south of Maharashtra. So, just below Maharashtra, Goa is located. Now, the capital of Goa is Panaji, and Marmagao is the biggest port in Goa. So, where is the biggest port in Goa? It is in Marmagao. The biggest port in Goa is in Marmagao. Now, children, Goa, as we know, has many beautiful beaches, and it also has many beautiful churches like the very famous Basilica of Bom Jesus, which has the remains of Saint Francis Xavier, is also located in Goa. Now, let us read the second paragraph. Here, the farmers grow rice, mango, cashew nuts, black pepper, and coconuts. Fishing is also an important occupation. People of Goa speak English and Konkani. Christmas is celebrated here with great pomp and gaiety. Now, children, in Goa, In Goa, the farmers grow rice, mango, cashew nuts, black pepper, and coconut. Along with agriculture, children, fishing is also a very important occupation of the people of Goa. Lastly, children, people of Goa speak English and Konkani, both these languages, and Christmas is celebrated here with great pomp and gaiety. Gaiety means happiness. So Christmas is celebrated here with great pomp and enthusiasm. Now, children, next we will study about Karnataka. In Karnataka, the coastal areas are mostly covered by thick teak forests, coconuts, and a variety of spices are grown here. Mangaluru, Mangalore, is an important seaport along the coast. So, children, the coastal areas in Karnataka are mostly covered by thick teak forests. So, a lot of teak trees grow near the coastal areas in Karnataka. And also, children, coconuts and different types of spices are also grown here in Karnataka. And lastly, children, Mangalore, which is now known as Mangaluru, is an important seaport of Karnataka. So, which is an important seaport of Karnataka? It is Mangaluru. So, children, today we will study till here only about the states of Kerala and Daman and Diu and Dadra and Nagar Haveli. We will read in the next class. So, children, please revise the portion that we have done today, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you, children.